I have a solution here that I really like. I think you're gonna like it too. Check this out. Here we have a computer workstation, or we have a kitchen prep area for right-handed people as opposed to left-handed people. One of my viewers pointed that out to me. Evidently I built this van for a lefty. I'm a lefty. So I promised him the next van will be built for a righty. But this to me, I mean, when you're working in here with all of this room you have, I'd say it's an ambidextrous van. All right, now this door, this cover, optional, not set in stone. It's going to change. But here's my point. I am able to put in a sink. For those of you that want a small sink basin to wash your hands after you use the toilet, I can put it in. It's here, the mount is here, the water's here, no problem. You see, we're starting to refine ourselves. This is what I'm talking about. This is as easy as it should be. This is what I call simple and elegant, okay? We're taking a shower now, right? So you come in here, look at this, wide open shower. I have this curtain back here only for demonstration purposes. It's going to live back in this corner, but it will hang into the shower box. I just didn't want to cut my lid for this demonstration. But this shower now, look, the entire area, this entire area is going to become your shower. I took away the 25 by 30 shower pan with the door and the curtains and forget that, forget it. This is 45 by 32, wide open. I'm going to have these shower curtains on a track embedded in the ceiling, and they'll be a little further out than the confines of the shower box, which will cause them to stay on the perimeter of the shower box. You're not going to get the attack from the wicked seaweed. Seriously, look at this. It's cavernous. Look, I'm in the shower. Still in the shower. Still in the shower. Still in the shower. Look at this. It's wide open. This is really nice. I am really happy with this shower. This is what I wanted. This is what I wanted. Freedom. Everything up. You cannot believe this is all in a 24-foot van anymore. There's a lot of space in here. There's nothing that's crowded. Nothing is claustrophobic. It's wide open, and I don't think I gave anything up. 2 people could take a shower together. You're saving water. I feel like one of those salesmen. Wow, Shay, wow. That was Edward G. Robinson. So, infinity shower pan. I'd call this an infinity shower or a curbless shower. I'm going to inset the shower pan. That's going to sit on the van floor. With all of my insulation and plumbing work that goes on the floor and building it up to the finish level, we're flush. The only thing is, this may be teak. A teak shower area that's flush. You just walk in. There's no shower door. Oh, gotta use the bathroom. It's as simple as this. Nature's head on a platform, on arms, on drawer tracks. I'm going to make sure these drawer tracks are at least 250 pounds a piece. So that's how you would use the toilet. I suspect that you would probably leave this situation configured like this. So you're working here and you're on your computer, you're standing at work because sitting is the new smoking. So you're doing yourself a health favor here. You got to use the John. That goes up very easily. John's, you're probably going to leave it out. You're going to leave it deployed like this. You just push it in for the shower. So you got to use the bathroom. You bring around your soundproof, waterproof curtain. You're good to go. You want a shower? Look how quick and easy. It's as simple as that. I like this. I'm going to sign off on this. We're ready to start building. When I get back from Tennessee, I'm leaving for Tennessee in a couple of days. When I get back, I'm starting. Insulation, flooring, wiring, plumbing is first. And then we'll start going into all the little details, the types of materials, the colors, the fabrics, everything. I like this. An infinity shower. It's flush, wide open, no door, no shower door. Open, wide open. visibility. I love this. It's late, but I thought I would include this in the video. Some of my viewers wanted to know what the dimensions were in these hallways now that I got this stuff built out. This box, which houses the refrigerator, maybe a microwave, some storage, it's going to pretty much stay the way it is. This side, right now I got 18 inches of countertop. That's the depth of the countertop. And to the sink, I've got 6 feet. And another 2 on the sink makes 8. Right here, I've got the edge of the futon, pretty much, more or less. So it's a little tight, 20.5 inches to walk through here. But that's all you're going to do, is walk through there. From the futon to the far wall, I've got 3 feet. So that's plenty of room back here. Now, from the refrigerator over to the countertop, 28 inches. That's pretty good. Typically, these Class B hallways will give you 24, 23, 24, 25 inches. So I got 28 there. At the armoire, which I'm going to make deeper. What are we going to pull this out? 2 inches? So I'm going to subtract 2 inches from this. I got 33 inches. So we're going to go to 32 inches, 31 inches for this baby. We're going to pull this in a little bit, just a hair, just to cover it if people want it. Then, from the computer desk over to this countertop, we have 3 feet. So back here, now that was the whole point in my placing this floor to ceiling mass where I put it. Up front, we're wide open. We've got the futon, the couch, you'll have your movie screen, I got some cabinets, okay? Then you come through a small space. That's what this gives us. That's the small space. What you do is you come through a small space and it opens up again into a big space. This is Architecture 101, Design 101. You go from one space in a small opening and it opens up again. Now I got a whole nother living area back here. This is crazy. I got 3 feet of space back here, 36 inches. So, as I said, the main crux of my design was spaciousness and a lot of light, a lot of ventilation. I didn't get to the ventilation yet, but I'm going to show you what I'm talking about with that ventilation. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned earlier in the video, now that I made this change and I removed the toilet from this area, I can add 4 or 5 inches to my wardrobe. I can make it that much wider. Now, that may be nice for your hanging clothes, but when you get a drawer that's another 4 or 5 inches wider, that's pretty nice. So I'm considering that. I got some room to play. The other thing is, don't forget, I got a 75-inch futon. Okay? I may be able to steal a little room back from there. Move this down slightly, make that wide. There's all kinds of things you can do here. It's very easy. It's a linear equation.